So once we've got our object into, once we've
Wow, you actually remembered where you are. Very nice.
once we, I shall not be distracted. You shall not pass. So once we've got our object into IMVU, we've imported it. We've set up the initial trigger, which is stance.idle, because we want this to automatically play. Set the ensembles to 0, which means it will infinitely loop. And then once we've got those initial settings set up, with the word setting, as often as we can, we go down to skeletal animation, and we should have our imported sequence, which we now do. So we can select that. And depending on the animation, we might be able to just actually just use that as is. So if I apply changes, oh, it's not doing anything. Why is it not working? Loops 0. Loop
I know
start.
Polly is a whiz with this stuff. You should ask her. Like, she's
And
like, click this
60.
button, click that button.
Apply changes. Oh
Oh
no.
yeah, she even said animation type is set to avatar.
Oh yeah.
See, I told you she's a whiz with this stuff.
There we go. Well, hey. And there we have our animated furniture item. Yeah, room or leave it blank. Apparently, it's that works as well for furniture.
Can you ride it or it just
Not
brings up your...
yet. That will have to be the next episode, because we do have a pose.
Oh, was that in an episode I missed?
No, we haven't got to that yet.
Oh, oh, you made a pose.
Yes, we made a pose. So in the first episode, which was last week, we made the basic mesh, and then we appended or brought the mesh into the pose file and
Can you make
created
the
a.
background lighter because I can't see my peanut very
I
well.
will. Uh, and then we imported that into the pose file and created a pose by manipulating all these little individual bones. But that's next step. So now that we've got an animated item, we can then, won't do that today because it'll take another hour or so, but that'll be for the next stream, is adding a pose to this simple furniture item. So let me just save that so we have a reference point.
Oh no, this is not good.
Oh, it isn't.
Well, if you want to make a box, you can't, like it only, you can't angle it.
Oh,
You
right.
know what I
Yeah, so
mean?
you'll have to draw it.
Yeah. There isn't a fill tool either. I'm going to
No.
write them under.